Welcome. In this chapter, we follow the Pandavas through their exile, a time of trials, growth, and preparation for their future battles. Their journey through the forest is filled with challenges, encounters, and lessons that shape their destiny. The Pandavas, along with Draupadi, leave Hastinapura and began their life in the forest. Their exile is not just physical but emotional. They have lost their kingdom, their dignity, and their place in society, yet they remain united. Adapting to forest life is a significant challenge. They must learn to survive without the luxuries of the palace. Yet their time in the forest is not just about hardship. It is also a time of reflection and spiritual growth. The Pandavas meet many sages who share wisdom and stories of dharma or moral duty. These interactions help them understand the bigger picture and prepare mentally for their eventual return. The Pandavas face their first major challenge in the forest when they encounter Kirmira, a Rakshasa. Kirmira, a brother of Bakasura, harbors deep hatred for the Pandavas. He blocks their path and threatens to kill them. Bhima steps forward to face Kirmira. Bhima's strength and courage are unmatched, and he takes this challenge head on. A fierce battle ensues. Bhima uses his bare hands to overpower Kirmira. Finally, he kills the Rakshasa, ensuring the safety of his family. This moment is important. It shows Bhima's protective nature and his resolve to defend his family no matter the odds. During their exile, Arjuna begins a critical mission. He knows that to defeat the Kauravas, they will need more than physical strength. They will need divine weapons. Arjuna decides to perform penance to obtain these powerful tools. Arjuna retreats into the mountains to meditate and perform penance. His devotion catches the attention of Lord Shiva. To test Arjuna's worth, Shiva appears disguised as a hunter. Arjuna, unaware of Shiva's identity, challenges him to a duel over a wild boar they both claim to have killed. The duel is intense. Arjuna's skill and determination impress Shiva. When Shiva reveals his true identity, Arjuna humbly bows. Shiva grants him the Pashupatastra, a weapon of immense power. This encounter highlights Arjuna's courage, skill, and humility. Arjuna's journey continues. He is invited to Indra's heaven, where he learns the art of celestial warfare. In Indra's court, Arjuna gains weapons from the gods and learns strategies that will aid him in the great war to come. While in heaven, Arjuna meets the Apsaras and witnesses the divine realms, broadening his understanding of the world and his place in it. The Pandavas, led by Yudhishthira, undertake a pilgrimage to various sacred sites. This journey is not only spiritual but also a way to find peace and guidance in their time of exile. During the pilgrimage, they hear stories from sages about past heroes and learn lessons about virtue, sacrifice, and perseverance. These stories strengthen their resolve to uphold Dharma and prepare for their return. One of the most enlightening moments during their exile is their meeting with sage Markandeya. This sage visits the Pandavas and shares stories to inspire them. Markandeya narrates tales of resilience, including the story of a great flood where a single human survives through unwavering faith. His teachings reminds the Pandavas that even the greatest trials can be overcome through determination and faith in Dharma. The exile is a time of growth for the Pandavas. Each member of the family faces their own struggles and grows stronger. Bhima becomes a protector. Arjuna hones his skills as a warrior. Draupadi, despite her suffering, remains a source of strength for the family. Yudhishthira learns patience and leadership. Through their trials, the Pandavas become closer and more determined to reclaim what was taken from them. Their journey in exile transforms them from rulers into warriors, ready to fight for justice. The exile of the Pandavas is not just a tale of hardship. It is a story of resilience, growth, and preparation for the future. In their darkest moments, they find strength in each other and in their unwavering commitment to Dharma. In the next chapter, we will see how their exile continues, filled with challenges that will test them even further.